Welcome to How to Tutorials channel. In this video of How to Tutorials, I am going to show you guys how to log out or sign out Shein account. So let's begin. First of all, go to Shein app. Once you tap upon the app, you will land on the shop page. There on the bottom right corner, as you can see, profile icon here saying me. Tap upon the me button. There opens your profile page. Then on the top right corner, you can see a little gear icon that is of settings. Tap on settings. Then scroll down the settings page. On the bottom, you can see sign out option in red color. Tap on it. Then a option bar appears. Simply confirm by tapping on sign out again. And there you are signed out from your Shein account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. For more such content, keep watching How to Tutorials.